This is how the haters think I act like. Ugh, Mom, I needed the Gucci bag and the Louis Vuitton bag. What is this? Mom, will you shut up? I have to do my video. Get ready with me to go to Sephora. Finally, my mom bought me the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. Bro, shut up. You know what? I am telling Mom.
Makes me sad. You're not old enough to even use some pads.
Can you please be quiet?
You can't make
At least I got the
last.
Charlotte Tilbury setting spray.
What even is that?
Finally, I have to use this foundation from the dollar store. My mom keeps saying, stop spending foundation that you don't even need. I'm like, girl. My mom couldn't even got me the Dior blush. Like, I got it 2 times, and I wanted the 3rd one, and she got me the dupe. Like, what is wrong with my mom? Okay, now we're gonna blend. Finally, let's go with my powder, like, done. Now let's go with my eyeshadow, like, next let's go with my eyeliner. Okay, so I'm gonna sing this song. Let it go, me boogie, 'cause I don't boogie. Hey, doogie. Next, let's just use my setting spray from Charlotte Tilbury. So, like, seriously, I feel like Alabama Parker is so cool. I'm obsessed. Next, let's go with my lip liner. Finally, my lip gloss. Done! Now let's go with my mascara. Fit Chalk. This is from Lululemon, and then this is obviously from Forever 21. Now let's get my nails done, and let's go to Sephora. Me at Sephora. This is the drunk outfit retinol. Mom, this is only $200. Get me it. Mom, I need it now, because this is retinol and I need it. Sweetie, I can't. That's too much money. I don't care. I'm buying it. Money. Ow. Okay, so now let's get my pedicure, manicure, and my nails and my hair done, okay? I'm not gonna look like a granny like you. Peace out, shotgun.